Good morning, students. Today, let us consider one more real life example of Matplotlib. We will consider a company, and the name of the company is Pisomania. It has sales counter in all the four directions or the zones of a country: east, west, north, and south. What we actually have to do it? This time, we will accept the value of sales from the user area wise and then draw the line chart using Matplotlib. Till now, whatever values we have taken was constant values. They were given by us. But, but in real life, it is better to ask the values from the user instead of giving constant values. So let us begin with the explanation. First line, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. plt is your alias. Alias we are giving so that it is easy for us to use the methods plot and show methods. For the four directions, we have to accept the sales from the user. So to increase the readability of the program, we have taken four variables. S north. S north means sales in the north zone. S south means sales in the south zone. S east is for the sales in the east zone. S west is for the sales in the west zone. What we are doing? We are accepting the value from the user with the help of input. So consider the second line. S north is equals to int input, enter the sale in north area. Input is a method. It is a Python function which is used to accept values from the user. But we know the rule. What is the rule? Whatever user enters with the help of input, it is considered as a string. And on string, we cannot do some calculation or use in any other purpose. So we have to convert it using int. Int means numbers without decimal point. So inner function will be solved first. First we will accept the value from the user and then that value will be converted into int. Next three statements are the same. We will accept the values for the south zone, east zone and west zone. Once we are ready with all the sales, now what we have to do? We have to design the series. Data we have to provide for the x-axis and y-axis. On the x-axis we will take area. Four zones we have: north, south, east, west. So we have written area is equals to, in square brackets we are writing north, south, east, west. So here we have four zones. In corresponding to that we have sales. Sales also area 4. So sales also we have 4. So S north, S south, S east, S west. This represent the sale in that particular area. So our two data series are ready. One for the X zone, one for the Y zone. On the X zone what I want? Area. And the Y zone what I want? Sales. So accordingly we will be using it. We are just simply using the print statement to check what will be printed when I print area and when I print sales. The next is we will plot the graph. How to plot the graph? plt.plot. In the brackets, first value is given for the x-axis. So I want area on the x-axis. So I have written area first, then comma sales. Sales is on the y-axis because it is the second argument. So first argument is always for the x-axis. Second argument is always for the y-axis. Now we want the label also. So how to give the label on the x-axis? With the help of plt.label, x label. The x label will write area on the x-axis. plt.y label, in the brackets we have sales. So sales will be written on the y-axis. And we are giving the title to the chart. What is the title to the chart? Area wise annual sales. All the functions are ready. Now it's time to display the chart. And how to display the chart? plt.show function is used to display the chart. As soon as I will execute this chart will be in front of us. On the x-axis area, on the y-axis sales. You can here in the diagram see the X label, Y label and chart title is also visible.